Spices and herbs. This is black pepper. It is spicy. This is white pepper. It is mild and soft. This is green chili. It is spicy and fresh. This is red chili. It is very hot. This is clove. It is tiny and powerful. This is red chili powder. It is hot and spicy. This is turmeric. It is yellow. This is ginger. It is strong and healthy. This is garlic. It has a strong smell. This is cinnamon. It smells sweet. This is cardamom. It is small and fragrant. This is nutmeg. It is warm and nutty. This is onion powder. It tastes like onion. This is mustard seeds. They are tiny and round. This is sesame seeds. They are tiny and tasty. This is fennel seeds. They taste sweet. This is cumin seeds. They are brown and tasty. This is coriander seeds. They are light and fresh. This is Fenugreek Seeds. They are yellow and bitter. This is poppy seeds. They are tiny and crunchy. This is dill seeds. They smell fresh. This is star anise. They taste sweet like candy. This is celery seeds. They are small and strong. This is black cumin. They are black and tiny. This is Asafoetida or Hing. It smells very strong. This is saffron. It is red and very precious. This is tamarind. It is sour and brown. This is mango powder. It is sour and tangy. This is allspice. It smells like many spices. This is caraway seeds. They are small and sharp. This is Ajwain seeds. They are small and strong. This is Juniper Berry. It is purple and sharp. This is annatto. It makes food red and yellow. This is black cardamom. It is smoky and big. This is Cubeb Pepper. It is black and strong. This is sumac. It is red and lemony. This is vanilla. It is sweet and yummy. This is mace. It is bright and strong. This is horseradish. It is very strong. This is ginger powder. It is warm and spicy. This is garlic powder. It tastes like garlic. This is wasabi. It is green and spicy. This is bay leaf. It adds nice flavor. This is basil. It smells fresh and sweet. This is mint. It is cool and fresh. This is curry leaves. They are green and tasty. This is thyme. It is tiny and fragrant. This is oregano. It is tasty on pizza. This is rosemary. It looks like little needles. This is sage. It has soft leaves. This is lemongrass. It smells fresh and lemony. This is parsley. It is green and tasty. This is coriander leaves. They are fresh and green. This is tulsi. It is a healthy herb with a nice smell. This is fenugreek leaves. They are bitter and green. This is Moringa leaves. They are full of vitamins. This is dill leaves. They smell fresh and nice. This is Gotu Kola. It is good for the brain. This is peppermint. It smells cool and fresh. This is brahmi. It helps with memory. This is celery leaves. They are green and crunchy. This is aloe vera. It is used for skin and health. This is spring onion. It is green and tasty. This is tarragon. It has a sweet smell. This is lavender. It is purple and smells sweet. This is lemon verbena. It smells like lemon. This is sorrel. It tastes a little sour. This is angelica. It is a sweet-smelling herb. This is lovage. It smells like celery. This is lemon balm. It smells like lemon. This is catnip. Cats love its smell.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. T2 Kids. Fun. Watch. Learn.